Hi friends, welcome to the New Bharat channel. If you want to earn profits in the stock market, a single stock tip is not enough. This information really useful for beginners. The right information, the right websites, and proper monitoring are very important. Which website should you check daily? Which one gives official data? Which one is for analysis? If you watch this video completely, your daily market routine will become absolutely clear. Today, let's learn about most important website useful in the stock market. Whether you are an investor or a trader, these websites will help you a lot in daily monitoring. So first one, NSE and BSE India websites. These are official exchange websites. Um, Ideally, we know these websites, but the problem is we ignoring to cross verify in the early morning. That is very important for everyone, for every beginners. See here we can get it live Nifty as well as census data and FII as well as DII daily buying and selling data, corporate announcements and shareholding pattern. See for example I'll story. Suppose a stock suddenly rises 8%. Instead of buying immediately after hearing a tip, you should check corporate announcement on NSE website. Is there a bonus issue? Has the company received a big order? Are the results strong? Based on that, we can take a decision instead of go for tip. So here, the second thing, money control. The same way in money control, we can get it live market updates, sector news, okay, result calendar, and expert opinions. So these are all very important for beginners, especially. I emphasize for beginners to watch every day before go and do any trading and investing. So these are all very important for beginners, but experienced guys they know very well, but beginners need it. Okay, just here I can give one example. Which companies are announcing results tomorrow? The money control. These are all information we can get in the money control. The same way screener.in. For long term investor, this is like a gold mine. Here ROE or ROCE or company debt level or company profit growth or company 5 to 10 years financial data, all information available. So if you want to find companies that are debt free with 20% or profit growth, you can use a custom query. This is not for daily monitoring, but it is mandatory for to check before investing. The same way, here one more technical analysis platform called TradingView. Here we can get it RSI, MACD, support and resistance, and trend line indicators. If you want to know where Nifty support is, open the chart and try a trend line. So through that way we can get it more information about that market trend or resistance or support level. So the same way one more website called investing.com. So before market open you should check investing.com how this US market closed or Asian market trends, crude oil prices, dollar index. That means we can get it here global cues information. Based on that we can now predict our Indian market how it going to be open. See for example, if US market closes down 2%, means then there is a high chance that the Indian market may open cautiously or maybe go down also. So checking this for just 3 minutes every morning is enough for us. The final message: to succeed in the stock market, you don't need tips, you need a systematic approach. Check official data, verify news, confirm charts, analyze financials. If you monitor the market daily in a disciplined way, your trading and investment decision will become stronger. That's it, my friends. See you in the next video. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.